Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're going to do a hands-on with the Xiaomi's new budget smartphone, the Xiaomi Redmi 6A. So Redmi 6A is a new successor for the Redmi 5A, which is one of the really popular smartphones globally, and this is the successor to the Redmi 5A. So the Redmi 6A comes with upgraded specifications. It has 5.45 inches 18:9 aspect ratio, and it is powered by the Helio A22 12 nanometer processor, and this has 2GB RAM and 16GB storage, and it also comes with a 32GB storage variant as well. So this is the Redmi 6A. It comes with quite good specifications and upgraded hardware as well. So let's have a look at the device. So this device comes with an 18:9 aspect ratio, and you can see the front facing 5 megapixel shooter. The display is an HD plus resolution display, which is quite good and looks pretty good in terms of the quality as well. So viewing angles are also quite acceptable for the Redmi 6A. So that's the display aspect. Now the bottom panel houses the micro USB charging slot. The left side houses the SIM trace. It is having a dedicated slot as well. The top houses the 3.5mm audio jack, and the right side has the power and volume keys. The back panel has this 13 megapixel camera, f-stop 2.2 aperture, and LED flash is included. It's a plastic body, but the finishing looks quite good, and you also get the speaker unit at the back panel. And you can also see that the back panel has a curved finish, which gives a good feel altogether when using the device. So that's the Xiaomi's Redmi 6A, and now let's have a look at the software. It comes with the Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box, and it also has the MIUI 9.6, and it's slated to get the MIUI 10 later this year. So you can see that this is running on the Helio A22. It's a 12 nanometer chipset with improved performance and also good battery life as well. Now talking about the battery, this device comes with a 3000 mAh capacity battery. That should be quite good enough for slightly more than a day of battery life. So that's the Xiaomi's Redmi 6A, and with the MIUI you get all the features including dual apps, lock apps, and all the other features which you traditionally see on all the Xiaomi smartphones. Now talking about the camera, so this device comes with a 13 megapixel rear camera. It's an upgraded camera, and you can see that it comes with all the modes you can see on other Xiaomi smartphones, and definitely looks quite interesting. We'll also be coming up with a detailed camera review later. So we are not got the device as of now. Once we get the device, we'll focus on the camera review as well. So that's the Xiaomi's Redmi 6A in terms of the camera interface. So this is Number signing off with a quick hands-on with the Xiaomi Redmi 6A, which is priced 5,999 for the 2GB RAM variant, and it comes with 16GB internal storage, and the other variant comes with 2GB RAM and 32GB storage, which is priced 6,999. So it definitely looks good for the pricing, and the new chipset should be quite good enough for performance as well. It also comes with upgraded cameras as well, and the design is good because it has the latest 18:9 aspect ratio as well. So that's all guys with the hands-on with the Xiaomi's Redmi 6A, which is the latest budget offering and the successor to the Redmi 5A. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.